Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Ally Bank with the Robinhood app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add more funds with Ally. How do you actually do so? First, click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Next, click on transfers. Then from here, click on add account on the bottom. Next, click on bank account. And then it's going to take a couple of seconds to actually go ahead and load. But Plaid is basically what Robinhood uses to keep your data and your account safe. Click on continue. Then click on continue as guest. Then click on Ally on the bottom. It's now going to prompt you to log into your Ally Bank, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Ally Bank with the Robinhood app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.